GSOK Power Limited is a professional engaged development, sale, and service of lithium battery, solar system, solar panel, inverter, home energy, LiFePO4 battery in China. Application for solar home energy storage, telecom, RV, golf cart, boat, equipment, e-bike, UPS. GSOK have obtained CE, MSDS, UN 38.3 certificates. All products will pass, sell, and pack test and 100% inspect before ship to strictly control the product quality. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards, and dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. The products are selling well in the world, exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Europe, Africa, Asia. Our cooperation factory welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. GSOK Power never stop the efforts on introducing talents and equipment to continuously improve our technologies and products to keep us ahead in new energy industry. We strongly believe the bright future of human being will be achieved with greener and more efficient power. Warmly welcome customers to cooperate with us for common success.